Today we're going to do some UniFi Protect unboxing and migration of the old UniFi Video Server. So this is the UniFi Protect and the power cord case. And the white one is the screw case and the flange. And this is the UniFi Protect server. And it's protected by some styro. And it has a tape to lock it during transport so that it will prevent the hard drive case from popping up. There are 4 hard drive case for this Protect server. Just push the front portion of the hard drive case to pop it up. Yeah, this is the locking sticker. Just remove it when you install back the hard drive case, of course with the hard drive. And some figure on how to install the 3.5-inch hard drive and 2.5-inch hard drive. This is the latch for the 3.5-inch hard drive. The smaller one, the one with 4 screws, as for the 2.5-inch hard drive. The way you mount it is you push it on the side and it will latch up. Just push it on top, there it goes, and it's done. This is the case for the screws. These screws are for the flange, for rack mounting. The small one are for the 2.5-inch hard drive. You have here also rubber footing and rack mount screws. This is the back of the UniFi Protect. There you go. There, the guy is just mounting the flange now. I don't know what you call that, flange or ear bracket. This is the main power and the secondary power port. And you have the LAN and fiber port, SFP fiber port, and 3 active fan, exhaust fan. And now when you plug the UniFi Protect, it will do some update. Of course, it's connected to the internet. So we are doing a migration of the old UniFi Video, and as you can see, it's controlled, managed by a different controller, by the old UniFi server. And this is a sample of the UniFi Protect video. And that's it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.